This week's videos are to discuss transfers, what we do after transfers, and to discuss card play. The bidding so far has been 1 no trump, 12 to 14 and balanced from north. 2 hearts from south, a transfer to spades. 2 spades from north, completing the transfer. 3 hearts. At this point, north knows that south has 5 spades, 4 hearts, and enough points for game, and they could be tempted to bid 4 spades. But they equally have a heart fit. If you're playing match-pointed pairs, it is better to play in the 4-4 fit because it may achieve more tricks. If you're playing in teams or imps, international match points, you're better to play in your 9-card spade fit. Pass from west. 4 hearts, pass, pass, pass. Once the lead has been made, the king of clubs, and the dummy hand goes down, we now are going to talk through the declarership of the hand. Once the king of clubs have been led, we now have to think about how we declare the hand. Which hand becomes the master trump hand? Normally it's the one with the most trumps, but because we're playing in our 4-4 fit, the master trump hand should become the one with the greatest trumps, the greatest strength in trumps, the ace, the queen, and the jack. And if we count our guaranteed winners, we have 4 heart tricks, 5 spade tricks, and the ace of clubs. That provides 10 definite tricks. And if we look at our losers, we have 1 club loser and 2 diamond losers. That means the hand balances. However, if trumps divide 3 and 2, we will be left with 1 trump in each hand if we play in hearts. If we score those trump tricks separately, we can end up making 11 tricks. Let's show you how. So we win the ace of clubs. And we immediately go about drawing trumps. And as we draw them, we count them. 4 are gone. And as we draw them a second time, we continue to count them. 8 are gone. And when we draw the third round, there are no more left in the opponent's hands. This gives us the ability to play our strongest side suit. And because the spades are now not trumps, we can use the last winning spade to potentially throw away one of our 3 losers. And when we throw away our loser, we can gain the value for having nominated the less of a fit or the minor fit or less cards in a fit, 8 as opposed to 9. But having the 5th card in the side suit means we could potentially throw away a loser and gain value for having nominated the hearts as trumps. And the last 2 tricks that we lose are 2 diamond tricks, and we claim making 11 tricks. Now that the contract is 4 spades, we will play the hand and we will see how many tricks we make, and we should see why, even though we have less of a fit or less cards of a fit in hearts, it's of more benefit to play in the 4-4 fit rather than the 5-4 fit of spades. If we count our winners and our losers, we have 5 spade winners, 4 heart winners, and 1 club. And our three losers are one club and two diamonds. But now, because the spades are trumps, we don't get value for having the 4-4 side suit fit in hearts. We win the club and we draw trumps. And after we draw trumps, whatever number we need to draw, 8 have been played, therefore there are no more trumps left. Even if we now play our hearts, we don't get a discard because we have 4 opposite 4. And no matter what we do, even if we try to win and set up a diamond, hoping that West has the ace and the king, which is very unlikely, when they win the diamond, they will take a winning club. And then they will take another winning diamond. And as we can see, we have already lost 3 tricks, and we cannot make 11 tricks. We can make 10, but we can't make 11. The risk of playing in hearts is that the suit might not break. And because you have less of a fit in hearts, the suit is more likely to break badly. 8 cards in trumps means you're missing 5. 9 cards in trumps means you're missing 4. But the 4-4 fit might produce an extra trick. And if it does produce an extra trick, we can achieve a greater score. Risk versus reward.